In this video, I'm going to show you the best free voice changer for your PC. So if you want to get access to a free voice changer that you can use to change your voice to different effects, then this is a video you don't want to miss because I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now for that, we're going to be using the Clownfish voice changer, which is a free voice changer that you can download right now. So you can go to clownfish.translator.com/voice changer. Simply go to any browser and type in Clownfish, and then you should actually be able to find it at the top ranking result. Click on that website, scroll down, and then right there you can download it. So basically choose the one that you need to download, like the one that fits your PC. And then once you've downloaded it, you actually want to set this up. So you want to open your files, or simply click on the file, like the download at the left bottom, and then you want to click right there and install this, okay? So basically run it and then install this. Now I've already done that, and then as you can see right there, it's right there. You want to double click, you simply want to open the program, and then it's not going to launch anything, but on the taskbar you'll actually see the Clownfish icon. Click on it, right click, and then click on set voice changer. Now once you're there, you can view all of these different voice changing effects such as alien, clone, mutation, fast mutation, slow mutation, a male pitch, a female pitch, helium pitch, and you can also choose baby pitch, radio, robot, and custom pitch, such as these, also these sounds effects. You can mix it, you can use silence, you can play around with the pitch right there. But right now, I'm going to explain this.
So if I just click right there, you'll see that right now my voice turns into a helium voice. If I click right there, I become a baby. Right? That sounds kind of funny.
This one right there is a robot voice. Yeah, right. The is an alien one. Use
all of these different
effects,
and all of these are
free. So in my opinion, this is the best free voice changer for your PC. You can click on clear effect if you don't want to use it.
Let's say you want to use baby pitch, you can also play around with it.
Custom pitch.
And as you see right there, that changed my voice.
Or like that, it changed my voice as well.
So
that's pretty much how you do this, right?
you can play around with this for a while, but that's pretty much how you can do this. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.